Hello, guys, welcome to my channel. This year's Apple Watch lineup saw an all-new model debut, Apple Watch Ultra, a rugged smartwatch with added features for the more adventurous among us. Apple was able to include a larger battery. The Apple Watch Ultra lasts for up to 36 hours on a single charge. And with a new low-power setting, battery life can last for up to 60 hours for multi-day adventuring. In a new form factor, the Apple Watch Ultra offers a larger screen, bigger battery, and extra Ultra features. But with a price tag of $799, the new smartwatch is a higher-priced option. Competing against other Apple Watch models and competitors, how does the Ultra compare? Rough and tumble, Apple Watch Ultra's design. For the first time, we've got a complete redesign. Sure, the Series 7 tweaked the classic formula with a rounder display, but the Ultra goes much further. While keeping the rounded sides with silver titanium, the face of the Apple Watch is flat. This Ultra watch is also larger at 49mm, rather than the largest 45mm of the standard series. Turning over to the rear of the Apple Watch Ultra, you'll find a new ceramic back. This cream ceramic material replaces the metal from previous models. Not only does it give the Apple Watch a different look, it once again adds to the durability of this smartwatch. You'll also find 4 pentalobe screws which allow you to crack open this bad boy with ease. The titanium sides extend slightly above the face to offer some protection. On the crown side of the watch, there's a new crown guard. This elevates the digital crown and side button above the side of the watch. It lets you press the buttons more easily with gloves on, and offers more rugged protection. On the other side of the watch are a new customizable action button and redesigned speaker grille. You'll also find a microphone in each corner of the Apple Watch Ultra. It's not just the Apple Watch Ultra itself that's been redesigned. The packaging has too. Apple has opted for a squarer box than the regular rectangular one. Opening the box up, and you'll see an image of a mountainscape printed on the packaging. On the top of the stack is a new setup book, below which is the Apple Watch and strap. Speaking of, there are 3 new types of straps for the Apple Watch Ultra: Ocean Band, Alpine Loop, and Trail Loop. These are also more rugged straps with secure fasteners that fit the larger 49mm frame. There's no denying that the Apple Watch Ultra looks different, and we certainly like it. The rugged design makes this Apple Watch look more professional, especially with the surgical-grade titanium on the sides. Heading to the front, the newly flat face gives the watch a nicer feel straight on and also offers some protection. The new action button and crown guard offer extra functionality and give the watch a more fleshed-out look. It is a great, polished design, and it's certainly a reason many people will look to pick up the Ultra.